In this video, I will show you how you can see Glassdoor reviews without signing up. So to do this, just go to the Glassdoor page you want to see it for, and then right click anywhere on the screen and click inspect. Now, by the way, this is on Chrome, but just gonna click inspect. Now from there, what you can do first is you have the content hard sell right here. Now if you don't find that, you can also search for it. So search content hard sell. And then you can see it show up right here, but just find the content hard sell and go and click on it and then backspace, and then that will be removed. But now you can see I cannot scroll. So if you want to be able to scroll, then what you want to do is go to event listeners right here, also under elements, and then here scroll down, and then you will find scroll. So go and click on the drop down, and now here you have the window. So go and delete all of these right here. And now the last step you need to do is also in elements, again under the body where all of this is, find the div ID. Now the final thing you have to do is in elements, go to the body class right here, and then set it to styles, and then under element style, go and untick overflow and position, and now you can see that if I close this, I can now scroll through this page and read all of this and just see the reviews and all of that. So that's how you can see Glassdoor reviews without signing up. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.